Have you ever wanted to do something specific in MetaTrader 5 but didn't know which button or section to use? MetaTrader 5 is one of the most popular and powerful trading platforms in the world. And in this video, we will explore its user interface step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will understand every panel, toolbar, and chart window like a pro. Hello traders, welcome to the TradeX channel, where we trade fast and think smart. So let's start with the user interface. The platform interface provides access to all the necessary tools for trading in the financial markets. It includes various menus, toolbars, and service windows. So let's start with the main menu. The main menu contains almost all commands and functions that can be executed in the trading platform. It provides access to operations with charts, analytical tools, and platform setting, and the other features. The main menu consists of the following items: File, View, Insert, Charts, Tools, Window, and Help. The platform has three built-in toolbars: Standard, Line Studies, and Periodicity. The toolbars contain duplicated commands and functions of the main menu. However, these commands are customizable, so you can collect only must-use widgets in them. The next item is Learning System. The platform includes a built-in learning system featuring over 100 interactive tips concerning its main functions. First is tips are seamlessly displayed as a progress bar on the toolbar and thus they do not distract the user. Second, tips only appear for the actions which you have never performed in the platform. And third, all tips include interactive links by which you can navigate to the relevant interface elements. For example, a trading dialog or a menu with the desired program can be launched straight from the tip. The progress bar will increase whenever you perform the actions described in tips. Okay, the next item is Market Watch. The Market Watch window provides access to the price data and financial instruments, prices, statistics, and tick charts. It also provides details of contract specifications and one-click trading options. The Navigator allows switching between accounts and provides functions for running trading robots and indicators. It contains a list of applications purchased from the market and downloaded from the codebase. From the Navigator, user can rent a visual platform to provide round-the-clock operation of expert advisors and trading signals. Before we continue, let me quickly introduce what we do at TradeX. We design a wide range of smart MT5 tools, from powerful indicators that simplify analysis to practical utilities that make trading faster and smoother. We also develop professional expert advisors that can trade automatically in the market. You can find our free and premium products in the first line in the description and the first pinned comment below. TradeX, trade fast, think smart. Then we have Toolbox. Toolbox is a multifunctional window that provides functions for working with trade positions, news, account history, alerts, internal mailbox, program logs, and expert journals. Additionally, from the toolbox, you can open and modify various orders and manage trade operations. Broker may choose to show a useful web resource here. For example, a support website. Any link added here opens in a separate web browser window. This tab is hidden if the web page is disabled by the broker. Next item is status bar. The status bar consists additional details, server connection indication, the name of an active template and profile, as well as command prompts and price data. The trading platform interface is highly customizable. You can choose to display only the tools that you currently need. For example, you can hide Market Watch and Navigator and show the depth of market and data window. There are some additional informations I want to give you about the user interface. There is a part which is accounts and chart details. The platform header contains information about the current account number, application name, as well as the active chart name and its time frame. There is also a MQL5 community chat. Chat with your friends and fellow traders on MQL5 community straight from the trading platform. The chat maintains the history of messages as well as it features the number of unread messages. To start a chat, log into your MQL5 account directly from the chat window or via the platform setting in the Tools, Options, and Community. In the search item, the trading platform provides the smart high performance search system to help you find required information in the MQL5 community, a community of traders and MQL5 developers. The MQL5 community resource contains documentation, trading forum, blogs of traders and analysts, as well as articles about programming and terminal use. The community provides access to the huge code base and the store of applications for the platform. Trading operations of professional traders can be copied through the online signal service. There is another item which is data window. The data window features accurate price information as well as currently used indicators and expert advisors at the selected point of the chart. Next item is fast navigation bar. This bar provides functions for quick chart operation. It allows moving a chart along the time axis as well as changing its time frame or the symbol. Double click and type the required symbol, time frame, and date. The last item is depth of market. The depth of market displays information about buy and sell orders for a security at the best prices. The depth of market also includes tick chart on which the time and sales data of deals is displayed. Deals appear as colored circles. The color shows the direction. The size means the volume of a deal. So let's talk a bit more about the search. As you type in your search query, the search engine instantly offers matching options. Select the desired phrase from the list and press enter or button. In order to search by one of the previous queries, place the cursor to the box and press the down arrow key to open the search history. Search results are displayed in a separate search tab of the Toolbox window. The system selects the most relevant results and conveniently arranges them by categories. To open the found item, left-click on its title. Use the top panel to view the search results found in the MarketWatch, Codebase, Signals, MQ5 Community Forum, and documentation. I know that some of these informations might already be familiar to you, but the important thing is that every trader who uses this platform should fully master these features to take advantage of all its capabilities and use them quickly and efficiently. So, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next episodes in this MetaTrader 5 tutorial series. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming trading lessons. And you can also ask any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye until the next video.